Hello sir, my name is Muhammad Razik Ishamuddin BUID, metric number 66722. I'm going to present our project Harsh IT Service Web Application by group SpaceStar. So here we have four outline, which is background, problem statement, interface prototype, and demonstration. Okay, for the background, we will develop a web application for small computer company, which is called Harsh IT Service. They offer service and sells computer and laptop parts. This web application will be used by user who want to purchase their product or need service from the company. So for problem statement, it is not accessible. What this means is our client relies on social media and don't have an official site for customer to deal with their service. And next, it's not fast and reliable. Customer will have a hard time for looking and scrolling for desired service in social media because our client only use Facebook and Instagram as platform for them to promote their service or sell their product. Okay, for the interface or the prototype, here is the page for sign up and login. We use this kind of interface because all users are familiar with this because almost every web page in the internet using this kind of interface. Next, this is our home page. Choose to adapt a modern e-commerce web design prototype for us IT service web application, as many users are familiar with the design. Taking for example such as Shopee, Zalora and Lazada, they all have the similar navigation properties between pages, enabling the user to use the website but having to learn a whole lot. So this is the service, all the service in this page. Then they just click the service and all the description all the description of the service is in this page. Then once they click the book now, they will need to enter the booking when they want to book from this calendar and this time, and then click next. Then I will enter all the detail from here. We use this kind of interface because they will know what to enter and what to put for the data. Then it will show successfully booked in this page. Then for the product page, here all the product sold by the company. Then once they click the product, they can add to the cart, and this interface show all the cart they have. Then they can choose all the size, and from this interface, size, quantity, and add to the cart. Then in the cart, they can choose what kind of method to ship or delivery the product. And here in this interface, they need to enter all the shipping details. This kind of interface is easy for user to understand what to input and what data they need to fill in. And here we show all the details when they have entered all the data. And lastly, this will show all the successful order or product they want to buy. Next is this is the feedback page using this form, so easy for user to fill in. And this show all about us, about the company, and lastly contact us. This kind of interface is easy for them to enter what kind of subject and message they want to send to our client. So this is the home page. If the user already sign in, we will have a drop down menu here, which is a booking, orders, address, account, and all. So for the booking page, they can update their booking, see all the booking they have done. Then for order page, you can see what order and the status of the product they order. Here is the address. It's easy for them to add or manage the address. And lastly is for the account page. All this interface is easy for them to enter all the data and update the data. So next I will pass the demonstration to our next presenter, which is Diana. Thank you.
Based on scenario in part 1, Salahuddin wanted to upgrade his PC because it does not meet the requirement needed to play the latest game. The first step that Salahuddin needs to do is go to the Has IT Service web application. Because of Salahuddin is the first time user of Has IT Service, so he need to sign up first. To sign up, he need to click the button Login. He need to fill in all the information given to sign up. After that, he need to click the button Sign Up to sign up. After sign up, he can log in with the correct email and also the correct password of the Has IT Service web application. As we know, Salahuddin wants to build a PC, so he need to make an appointment to discuss about his dream PC with the Has IT Service. So Salahuddin needs to click on the service button on bar menu to go to the service page. He can click to the service that he wants, such as building custom PC. In this page, he can read all the description of the service. If he is confirmed to continue this service, he can click button Book Now. So Salahuddin can choose the available date and also available time based on his schedule. Then he need to click button Next to continue the booking. At this page, Salahuddin needs to fill all the information and also his request to build his custom PC. Then he need to click button Book It. So an appointment are successful booked. To build his custom PC, he can survey and buy the PC parts. So Salahuddin can click to the button Product to go to the product page. So Salahuddin can choose the product he wants to buy. He can choose the size and also quantity that he wants, and he need to click the button Add to Cart to add to carts. So Salahuddin can click the button View Cart to view all the product he wants to buy. So he will arrive at the My Cart page. In this page, he can choose the method delivery, either he wants shipping, delivery or pickup store. Then he need to click button Checkout to continue the purchase. Salahuddin needs to fill in all the shipping details to confirm the purchase. So he can click the button Continue after he complete fill in all the information given. At this page, he can choose the payment method, either he want to make the manual payment or use PayPal. For example, Salahuddin choose the manual payment, then he can click button Place Order to continue. So the order have successful order. The staff of Has IT Service will contact him to complete the payment, then he will receive the product that he bought. After Salahuddin complete receive the service of Has IT Service, Salahuddin can give his feedback on the website. He can fill in the details and state his feedback of the Has IT Service. Then he click the button Submit and his feedback is successful sent.